Now, after completing our classification of polygon, now we are going to start with our new topic, which is diagonals. Okay, what are diagonals? Diagonals का मतलब क्या होता है कि diagonals are any line segment which connect the two consecutive vertices of a polygon. Okay, suppose there is a polygon. Okay, if you connect the two consecutive vertices, we call that line as a polygon. Okay, so take an example of a polygon called as parallelogram. Okay, why polygon? You know very well, triangle has three vertices. Okay, so is it possible to make a diagonal? This is your triangle. So triangle have zero diagonals because already all vertices are connected and there is not possible. So we call it for triangles zero diagonals. Now take an example of quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral have four sides, 1 2 3 and 4. Here you can make a diagonal. See here, quadrilaterals have four sides and two diagonals. Okay, triangles have three sides and zero diagonals. Quadrilateral how many diagonals? Two diagonals. Okay, and four sides. Similarly, take an example of pentagon. Okay, it's like a home. तो इसके कितने डायगोनल्स हो सकते हैं? पॉसिबिलिटी, लेट्स सी, 1 2 3 4 5. So how many diagonals? Pentagon have 5 diagonals. Is that clear? Next, the figure is hexagon. ठीक है, हेक्सागन कैसे बनेगा? Like this. How many diagonals we can make? Let's try. 1 2 3 and then here 4, here 5, okay, here 6, here 7, here 8 और कुछ उठ रहा है? Total of 9s are there. I think someone missing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here is the 9. Okay, so hexagon have 9 diagonals. Okay, hexagon. And similarly, there are many figures and there are various diagonals. Is that clear? So this is the diagonals. Now similarly, next term we are going to learn is a interior and exterior curve. Interior and exterior of the closed curve. ठीक है, अब इसका कैसे करेंगे, सी हियर, टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस फिगर. Okay, just make me a figure. This figure, here's the another figure of a closed curve. This is the another figure of closed curve. Now here I am shading a portion. Similarly, now here okay, so here you can see the blue shaded part the blue shaded part represent the interior for this figure and exterior for this figure. Okay, the interior and exterior of the closed curve. ठीक है, इंटीरियर का मतलब होता है कर्व के अंदर का हिस्सा और एक्सटीरियर मतलब कर्व के बाहर का हिस्सा which I showed with a blue shade. Is that clear? Next, another type of polygons are convex and concave polygon. Another type of polygons are, these are the types of polygon which we are learning: convex and concave polygon. ठीक है, so polygon which have all the diagonal inside the figure is we call it as a convex figure. Okay, so what is convex polygon? The polygon जिसके which have all the diagonals inside the figure are known as convex पॉलीगॉन. ठीक है, मतलब क्या होता है, अंदर अगर डायगोनल रहा तो हम इसे कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगॉन. टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस A B C D. दिस फिगर, इसका जो डायगोनल है वो कहाँ है, इनसाइड है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ फिगर वी कॉल इट एज अ इंटरनल कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगॉन. सिमिलरली द पॉलीगॉन which have some of its diagonal outside the figure are known as concave polygon. ठीक है, उनको क्या बोला जाएगा? कॉन्केव पॉलीगॉन. इसका फिगर कुछ इस तरह होगा, मैं यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ, लाइक दिस. ठीक है, ये आपका फिगर है नेचुरल, विच इज ए बी सी एंड डी. तो आप इसके ऊपर डायगोनल बना रहे हैं एक्सटर्नली. दिस इज द concave polygon. Is that clear? This figure is for this. Fine. So this is our convex and concave polygon.